So guys, I bought the game Poppy Playtime, and the machine I'm playing it on is Optiplex 7010 i7 processor and Windows 10. And I don't have any graphics card. Let's see how it works without the graphics card. So yeah, let's go play. So guys, this is my machine, and it's Dell. So guys, I'm gonna open up the game Poppy Playtime, and let's see how it works. So we're gonna try chapter 1. So this is it. So we're gonna click play. We're gonna click new game. Gonna go through a intro, but I don't wanna watch it, so just skip it. It's loading. You can see in the corner. There. This takes a long time to load, which I don't like. Okay guys, so the game is on. So let's try moving up and stuff. So I can already see that it's lagging. So let's try getting somewhere. Oh my god, I just bumped. Okay, so guys, it's lagging. It won't listen to me. Like if I try moving it to the right, like a lot, it only moves a tiny bit. It's making me mad. So I think why it's not working is because of the graphics card. I'm gonna ask my dad to buy the graphics card, and let's see if the graphic card works or not. So yeah, let's go buy it. And it's coming today, and I'm going to be showing you how it looks and how we're gonna install it. So yeah, I'll show you the package when it arrives. So guys, the package is here. They're gonna drop it off. That's Prime Car. Okay guys, the package is here now. Let's grab it and yeah. Okay, so there's the package. Let's grab it. Let's place it right here. Let's shut the door. Lock it. Okay, so guys, now we're going to go to the computer that needs to be done. So yeah, let's go. So guys, I got the package, and here it is. So I don't know what graphic card it is, because my dad ordered it, and it would be a surprise for me and for you. So yeah, let's open it. I'm gonna go. Oh yeah. Okay, and then I forgot this right here. Okay. Let's take it out. So guys, here's the graphics card, as you can see. So yeah, so I'm gonna tell you the version. So it's GT730, and it's from the company Gigabyte, and it is 2 GB DDR3. It's also compatible with PCIe 3.0 motherboard and running at PCIe 2.0 speed. So guys, let's open it now. Oh, so it looks like it might not need an extra power right here, and these are some of the outputs it came with. It has the HDMI and the DVI output, this one and that one, and it also has the basic output. So it looks like it won't need any extra power. So yeah, that's good for my computer, so it doesn't cost us any extra money, which is good. So yeah, let's get to installing it. So guys, if you're doing this by yourself, you want to shut down your computer, unplug the power cables, and always have an adult supervision. And then I'm going to do the exact same thing, then we will install the graphics card. So let's get into it. So guys, now my computer shut down and the power cables are unplugged. So now I'm going to take it out and I'm going to move it out. And we're going to lay it down. And you see this clip, this whole back, and this clip. You're going to want to push that up. And then you're going to want to take it out. So you see that right there? That's where it goes in. So you want to first take that out and not pulling it off. So now we're going to put this on the side. So guys, this is the slot where I'm going to put the graphics card. So I have to first take this out and then install it. So how you're going to want to take this out is you're going to take this and you're going to push it down and slot it out. And then you see this steel one right here that looks shiny nice. You're going to want to like kind of pull it out. But instead of doing that, first you have to do that, and then you can try like you have to pull that up, and then you're gonna want to pull that out. So now that's out. This is how it looks, and I don't like this dust. It could ruin some of it. So we're gonna want to take this spray duster and clean it all. So let's see. A lot of dust, guys. So guys, this is the graphics card, and now we're gonna install it. So there's one thing you always want to make sure on is this side. And so what you're gonna want to make sure on is, you see that little gap right there? Right there? This part right here, it's gonna want to slide in that, and if it matches, everything matches, then you're just gonna want to slightly push it. I'm gonna want to slightly push it side by side. So you're gonna push first this side, this side, and that side. So you're gonna want to just push it in a little bit more. So if you hear a click sound, that means it's installed properly. So I heard a click sound, so that means it's installed properly. So now, yeah. So now we're going to test it. So guys, the computer is working. It's turned on, and it looks like the graphics card is working. So it came with this CD for the drivers to be installed, and we're going to use this and install it, go through all the instructions how to use it. So yeah, let's get to it. So guys, it just installed the drivers, and my screen looks so much better. Just a heads up to make sure, if your graphics card is not plugged in properly, your machine won't work. So you want to make sure you have it plugged in properly. So guys, I'm going to try the game now, Poppy Playtime. Let's see how it works. Turning on. So, my monitor not. Oh, sorry. Okay. Chapter 1. I hope this works, because I've been wanting to play this for a long time. So, let's see how it works. Okay. So, I'm going to click play. I hope this works. I'm scared. Mom. I'm trying to skip this because I don't like this. It's boring. So guys, I just restarted my computer, because it wasn't working. So guys, I turned on my game and it looks, oh, it's working smooth, guys. The graphics card worked. Let's go. So now I can finally play without it lagging. Oh, I'm clicking E. I'm about to scream. Before, when I was trying to click these, I was like, how are you supposed to do this? So, yeah, so it worked. So now it's working. Remember when it wasn't loading? We had to actually restart our computer because the first time we got it, it wasn't working. It kept doing stuff. So we had to restart it and then it worked. So in this room, you have to look at this train. Let's wait for it to pass by over here. Okay, so it's blue, pink, yellow, red. Okay, so we're gonna go blue, pink, yellow, red. See, before, like, it was like this. Like that. But now it's like, oh, who cares? So we're gonna type blue. I think it's E. Oh. If it's not blue, then it's green. Blue, pink. Oh my gosh. It's not lagging, it's my mouse. Pink, yellow. Does it work? Oh, wait, no. No, stop. Okay, let me read. Click this.
Thank you.
Okay, I have to. Okay, I'm just gonna put a random one. But did that work? Isn't it automatically supposed to open? Okay, so it's not open. I did not get the right color. Let's go check. So, yeah, I just wanted to test out the game and show you guys how a little bit about it. So yeah, and don't forget to make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.